Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for YouTube ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the YouTube homepage. Sign in to your Google account. Click on the user icon in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Monetization. Verify that your channel meets the eligibility requirements for monetization. If eligible, click on Get Started to enable monetization features. Once monetization is enabled, navigate to the Create section on YouTube. Select YouTube ads from the options available. Click on Create Campaign to start setting up your advertisement. Choose your campaign goal, such as brand awareness or website traffic. Select the campaign type that suits your needs, like video or display ads. Determine your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set your budget for the campaign, either daily or total. Choose your ad placements by selecting where your ads will appear. Upload your video ad if you selected the video campaign type. Fill in the required details for your ad, including the ad headline and description. Review your selections to ensure everything is set correctly. Once satisfied, click on Publish to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance in the YouTube Ads dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on the analytics and insights you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.